If you want to make your ElevenLabs voice talk faster, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it in just a few steps. This works whether you're using the V2 or V3 models, and it's a simple way to make your voiceovers sound more energetic, more natural, or better matched to your video pacing. If this helps you, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more fast tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open ElevenLabs and make sure you're in the text-to-speech area. On the right panel, select text-to-speech so you're working in the correct mode. This is where you'll enter your script and prepare the audio generation. Now, look over to the left settings panel. This is where ElevenLabs gives you control over different voice settings, and the one we want here is the speed slider. Find the slider labeled speed, and you'll see that it controls how fast or slow the voice speaks. To make the voice talk faster, simply drag the speed slider to the right. As you increase the speed, the voice will become quicker and more compact. If you want just a slight boost, move it a little. If you want a much faster delivery, push it further until it sounds right for your project. The key here is to choose a speed that still sounds clear. Going too fast can make the voice sound rushed, so it's a good idea to test a few settings and listen back before finalizing your audio. If you're using this for YouTube, short-form content, or an explainer video, a faster voice can help keep the pace engaging. Once you've adjusted the speed to your preference, all that's left to do is generate the voice. Click Generate, wait for ElevenLabs to process it, and then preview the result. If it sounds perfect, you're done. If not, just go back, fine-tune the speed slider, and generate again until you get the exact delivery you want. And that's it. In just a moment, you've learned how to make ElevenLabs voice talk faster using the speed setting in the left panel. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.